In this video, we will discuss about top 3 drip irrigation, or self-watering for plants. This is an automated drip irrigation system. This irrigation system is easy, simple and cheap. All of these irrigation systems simply save water. When the summer comes, plants need a lot of water. Drip irrigation is ideal for rooftop garden. This is an automated drip irrigation system. This irrigation system is cheap and easy to use. Make a hole on cork of the bottle. Cut the bottom part of the bottle with a scissor. Make a hole on the bottom part of the bottle. This irrigation system is easy, simple and cheap. Make a big hole on the cork. The roof garden is needed a lot of water for large trees. This is most effective for rooftop garden.